Chick, 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 chick. All right, last treat for the day. Even though it's not a treat really. We got some corn husks. They're like, what is this? This is lame. What you think? You gonna eat that? Are y'all super disappointed? What is that? What is it? What is it, Ashley? No? What you think, Red? Everyone is very upset with me. They will actually nibble on it for a while when there's no treats and they're not full from all the treats of the day. But they definitely expected something else. She's just gonna go over there and start digging. Enjoy! Don't worry, Pants, you're not missing much. I'll give you a little piece later. Yeah, they're right. They're skateboarding out there today. So if you hear any crazy noises, what you think? Derpy's into it. There you go, Derp. Get you some.